Otis, where is Venecky?
I don't know, but I feel guilty for never visiting.
You may have. Apparently it occupies roughly the same territory as Kentucky.
Oh good, we lost Kentucky.
A student agenda distributed at Fawnsley Middle School in Jefferson County, Kentucky, contained educational graphics with state names that looked as though the United States had suffered a spelling emergency. Kentucky became Venecky. Illinois became Vitoyas. Arizona became Arizone. Louisiana was Lecung. Alabama was Alatome. South Carolina became Sorth Quanto.
Sorth Quanto sounds like a resort.
Then science joined the disaster. Parents found a mangled periodic table and a solar system graphic that reportedly included a planet named Marc.
Marc? Who is Marc? Why was NASA hiding Marc?
Saturn also became Satur.
Forget Saturn. I am emotionally invested in Marc.
Parents were less amused. Local reporting says the bizarre material came home in a school agenda, and the district acknowledged errors.
So the real mystery is not the spelling.
It's how something this obviously wrong survived long enough to become ink on paper.
Do we know AI definitely made the graphics?
No. Parents suspected AI, and the errors resemble familiar generative image hallucinations, but public reporting does not establish which tool created them.
Important.
What is established is that the material was wrong, printed and distributed. Teachers were reportedly told to remove affected pages before agendas went home, but some clearly escaped.
Then this isn't really a story about a machine making a mistake.
Exactly. It's about a human review process failing to catch many obvious mistakes.
Marc.
Marc.
A whole new planet is not a typo.
Generated material can look polished before anyone actually reads it. A colorful map feels authoritative at a glance. Then you zoom in and discover you've crossed from Kentucky into Venecky.
Students are constantly told to check their work.
Which is the delicious irony.
The grown-ups hand you Venecky and then tell you to proofread.
And somewhere, Marc waits patiently for recognition.
The district said it was working with the vendor and reviewing the issue. Whether AI made the images or merely helped make them, automation doesn't remove the need for an editor.
It may increase the need for one.
Especially when output looks convincing from 6 feet away.
The 6-foot fact check looks great on the wall. Please don't approach.
There is a useful lesson for students here. The person who notices an error, asks whether it makes sense, and checks another source is doing exactly what we increasingly need people to do around generated information.
Don't confuse polished with correct.
Precisely.
I also love the physicality of it. Somebody approved it, printed it, bound it, and handed it to children.
Every stage was another opportunity to notice.
Every stage was another opportunity to meet Marc.
You are never letting Marc go.
First Pluto, now Marc.
Keep one of those agendas. It may become a collector's item from the brief period when Kentucky became Venecky.
What happens if Marc hears this episode?
1-star review.
Fair.
This is probably where we acknowledge that we have some experience with artificial intelligence ourselves.
Some.
We're fictional AI-generated hosts using synthetic voices.
There it is.
And the story we've told you is a researched true story based on real reporting. The bizarre agenda is real. The conclusion that a particular AI system created it has not been publicly established.
Responsible AI hosts defending responsible fact-checking.
Almost as if somebody wrote rules for us.
Impossible.
I'm Rose.
I'm Otis.
This is Detention.
And if you're listening for Marc, send coordinates.
Recess is over.